I'm Chad from Autel Diagnostics, and this is the MaxiSYS Ultra. In this video, we're going to focus on the contents of your new MaxiSYS Ultra tool. For more in-depth videos on the tablet or the VCMI, make sure you check out our Autel.com website or our YouTube channel at youtube.com/AutelTools. So let's get into the case and see what's inside. Your MaxiSYS Ultra comes in a hard plastic case that can be used for storage and for transport. Anytime opening the case, make sure that the Autel symbol is facing up to keep all the contents in the package without falling out. We will start by removing the Ultra tablet. The Ultra tablet is retained by a Velcro strap and can be removed to reveal a screen wipe cloth, our quick start guide, and this will show us how to register, use, and access most of the features and functions on your Ultra tool, along with our product description to show all of the features and benefits of your Ultra tablet and your VCMI. The last document in that slot will be the packing list, which shows all of the contents of the case and some optional content as well. We will put the Ultra tablet back into its slot and now look at the VCMI. Underneath the VCMI, you will see an accessories kit, which we will cover here in a moment. In the lid section of the case, we have the docking station and all of our accessories. Let's look at the accessories that are included in the kit. All of the scope and charging accessories have their own designated slot. We will go through each one of these individually to talk about each one of their functions. There are many other accessories included for the MVCI in the lid of your MaxiSYS Ultra case. And we'll start with the small accessories. This small accessory case includes all of your flexible back pin probes, alligator clips, and extra fuses. This is located under the MVCI in the case. We include 2 inductive pickups for ignition systems, 2 20-to-1 attenuators to be able to measure your high voltage systems, 2 dolphin clips for power and ground. Also included in the kit are 4 sets of back pins. These back pins offer a male and female style for the most popular pinout styles on today's vehicles. These are connected together for transport and storage, but easily come apart to be able to use individually. And lastly, we have the connectors for the DVOM, or the voltmeter part of the tool. These connectors connect directly to the VCMI to use as a digital voltometer or also as an output power supply. With the battery contained in the unit, we can also supply voltage out of these leads to a circuit. A 12-volt power supply charging port for a cigarette lighter is also included, and we round out the complete kit with a set of battery lead clamp-ons to use that cigarette lighter adapter if necessary. As you can see, this is a very complete kit from Autel, including all the leads, probes, back pins that you will need to use your scope and the connection to the tablet. If you have any questions about your new MaxiSYS Ultra or products that are contained in the kit, please reach out to our tech support line or visit us at autel.com.